can be easily treated as per Ayurveda. Let's see the opinion of Acharya Vagbhata. Sarva Aushadha Kshame Dehe Yuna Pumso Jitatmana Amarmago Alpahedu Agrarupa Rupo Anupadrava Atulya Dushya Deshartu Prakriti Pada Sambati Graheshu Anuguneshu Ega Dosha Margo Navasukha. Disease which is Sukhasatya, easily manageable. If the body is healthy enough to tolerate the potency of all the medicines employed, the patient is young, male, has control over his senses when the disease is not at all at any fatal site or at any marma. When the cause of the disease, the symptoms, signs and complications are less, when the involved dusha or the tissues or systems involved and desha, locality, rudu, seasons and prakriti constitution are not identically related, when all of the four padas are ideal and available, the pada chatushtayas are okay, when stars are favorable, there we show Ayurveda and relation with astrology, and when the disease is caused by a single dosha and is manifested in a single path of disease called Roga Marga. So this sloka is having many aspects. Who can be easily treated? The patient should be young. The patient should be probably male. It is not said that male only can be treated, but he is having strength. So generally he is told to be male, that's it. Then he should have control over his senses, and the disease should not be present on vital site like marma, and the cause of the disease should be little, and the signs and symptoms shown by the patient also should be little, and there should be no complications. Complicated cases are difficult to treat. Then the factors like dusha, desha, rudu, prakriti, they also should be favorable. For example, a patient is living in a dry place, some desert like Rajasthan somewhere, and he is having the dryness prominent diseases, dry skin, itching. So in such a person, the dusha, desha, rudu, prakriti, all these things, he is also having a vada prakriti. Such a person is difficult to treat. But if these things are different, if a kapha prakriti person is getting a disease in which he has dry skin and he is living somewhere else, he is living in Kerala, for example, so he will be manageable. So that is the point there. And the four limbs of the treatment, the pada chatushtaya should be perfect, and the grahas, the planets also should be favorable. He is having the Mars dasha, the patient, so he can have more complicated surgeries in that time. So at that time, the recovery from the disease by mere shamana medicines will not be possible. So in that case, he may need surgery later. So we cannot do simple shamana therapy for that patient. So he is not having graheshu graha anuguna or anurupa time there. And the dosha marga is also another concept. It is simply the location where the disease is located. It is having three major pathways. When the doshas are in the upper dhatus, it can be treated first and easily. When the doshas penetrate into the deeper dhatus, when the deeper dhatus are affected by the disease, it is difficult to manage. So that is the simple explanation of dosha marga there. And the disease also is nava. That is why we are asking the patient, when does this disease first started? He is saying 1 month, okay, it is treatable. If he is saying 10 years, it is untreatable. So that is a simple explanation there. And the patient also should be confident. Then we can easily manage that disease.